Doing too much.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Yes, I'm in a onesie. None of y'all better judge me. So today we're going to be talking about Curlmix. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you've seen me use Curlmix before, probably on more than 3 occasions, because I do love Curlmix. This is actually the first Curlmix product that I received, and as you can see, it's kind of almost gone. I have a little more of the flaxseed gel than I do the moisturizer. This is from the Strengthen line, but we'll get more in depth into that later. So if you haven't heard of Curlmix, it's actually a company that started off as a subscription box. They would actually send you materials to make your own hair products. They turned their subscription boxes into a hair care line. So Curlmix consists of 6 different hair care lines, all moisturizers and flaxseed gel, but the ingredients in them tailor to a specific need. So they have the repair line, the strengthen line, the hair growth line, the soften hair line, the moisturize line, and the sensitive line. Now, all of these products are sulfate, silicone, paraben, and mineral oil free. So with all that being said, they now have decided to expand their hair care line and have now come out with a shampoo and conditioner. I received the aloe vera shampoo and the pure grapeseed conditioner. Now, of course, I've used the moisturizer and the flaxseed gel. Love both the products, love my results with those wash and goes, but I won't get into detail with those. I'll let the video speak for itself. What we are going to talk about are the shampoo and the conditioner, because these are the star of the show. The shampoo and the conditioner come in certain fragrances. This one just so happens to be watermelon, but it also comes in vanilla berry, lavender, watermelon, lemon cream, and rose. Now, I initially chose rose, but I ended up with the watermelon. Not that I mind, because the fragrance isn't horrible. Like, it actually smells really good. But now I'm interested to know what the rose smells like.
So let's get into the review, shall we?
So first we're going to talk about the shampoo. So the directions on these products always say to distribute these products on soaking wet hair. Also says to kind of stay away from air drying. I personally diffuse all the time, so that wasn't a problem for me. As far as this shampoo went, it was very, very soft on my hair. Like, it didn't feel stripping. It lathered up very nicely, but to me, a shampoo is a shampoo. As long as it cleans my hair, it's a win for me. And this definitely did that. It did leave a little moisture in my hair. Did it clarify my hair? Absolutely. Did it remove buildup? I honestly wasn't looking that hard, but I'm pretty sure it could. So that's the shampoo. Now, to me, the winner was this product right here. This conditioner, as you can see right here, ultra slip. And boy, does it have it. This conditioner was super moisturizing. The slip was out of this world. Like, my tangles disappeared when using this conditioner. And mind you, I use this conditioner outside the shower. So imagine what it could do in soaking wet hair. I didn't even use that much. Look, like, the conditioner is like right there. Usually, as curly girls can relate, when it comes to conditioner, how much conditioner do we use? But look how much I have left. And when I tell you I was able to detangle, you could see it in this video right here. Look how easy I detangled my hair. Mind you, no silicone. I am super impressed with this conditioner here. This might be my go-to. It kind of reminds me of the Diva Curl 1 Condition, which you guys know is one of my favorites. And of course, I also received the Pure Flaxseed Gel and the Avocado Moisturizer. As I mentioned before, I've used their stuff. This one is actually from the hair growth line. Now, I've used the Strengthen line, and to me, they are probably doing different things for my hair, but I still got the same result. So again, it's all dependent on what you prefer and what you need. And also on the Curlmix website, you are actually able to take a quiz so that you can figure out what line is better for your hair. Also, when you order from Curlmix and you get your package, you also receive a pamphlet that kind of lets you know like the do's and don'ts of this line and how to get the most out of your wash and goes using this line. So that's it for this video, guys. I try to keep it short and sweet because I filmed this, like I said, 72 times. So I was trying to just get straight to the point. I'm probably going to add in a couple clips from the video that I did before, like earlier today, but I just didn't like how that footage came out. So here we are again, and now I'm speaking softer because my kids are asleep. If you guys have any suggestions on any future videos, please leave them down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye.
The shampoo and the conditioner. It's